JR.
JR, how are you?
I'm fine.
Where are you from?
Bagong silang Caloocan City.
Caloocan City. Okay, I've heard of that before. Okay, and you're doing this as well.
Rubik's
Are you guys
Cube.
friends?
No.
No? What do you do?
Blindfolded. Salt.
Oh, okay.
Blindfolded,
How do
he
you
will
know?
do that. With a handkerchief in his 2 eyes.
But then
Is
how
that
do you
right?
know it's correct?
Yes, sir.
How do
Okay.
you know it's
So,
correct?
what?
How do you know it's correct when you can't
No,
see it?
that's why we have to watch this. That's his
Okay.
Before
style.
I
What?
execute it,
But we have to be quiet kasi para makapag-concentrate siya
Yes,
pag
sir.
ginawa niya. So, you talk to everybody. Everybody?
everybody, please quiet.
You're
Ikaw
playing.
ba?
How long have you been playing this?
1 year ago.
1 year. Only. You guys are great. Only
Yes.
1 year.
Alright, sige. Pakita mo na sa amin. Here we go. JR! Blindfolded? Okay, what?
Before I start, I memorize before. First.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Ay,
You had to
analyze
memorize
first.
it first.
Analyze.
What?
He had to
Analyze
memorize.
first.
With whom, Mimi?
No, he had to memorize.
You have to analyze.
Order.
Oh, what do you mean? You have to analyze. Oh, tell us what we should do
Before I start, before I...
before you die.
Ayun,
Before you die.
ano,
What?
I memorize all the cube.
I-memorize niya. Okay, titignan mo yan. Oh, what do you wanna do? Okay? Akin na yung kamay mo.
I think it's...
Okay. Sorry.
So I can just mix it up, right?
Okay, so anong dapat? Ito, pakita natin. We have to show that. Is that what you want?
Yeah.
Okay, so, tatlong always sa gitna. Tatlo yung,
Yes, sir.
Okay na? Okay, good luck. And here we go.
Good luck.
JR!
Wow.
Quiet please, quiet lang. Go. Ilang seconds yan? Ilang seconds yan? Wala. Dito lang. Wow, galing mo.
That's so amazing. I've never seen anything like that. I have to shake your
Grabe.
hands.
Galing, ha? Ma'am, saka alam mo, 4 years na ako dito sa Wawawi, or mag-5 years na ako. Malapit na. Ikaw lang nagpatahimik sa amin dito. Wala nakapagpatahimik sa amin dito. 2 minutes, wala nagsasalita. Palapakan niyo to. Wow, okay. Okay, hindi. Alright, okay. So, Rubik's kayo.
Yeah.
Ako, ayoko lang ipakita lahat ng talent ko. Kasi, hindi. Nasa akin lahat, di ba? Tall, dark, and handsome ako. Tapos, you know, we're talking about the talent here. You should watch this. You like them? You like them?
Love it. It's amazing.
If I do something, will you marry me? Okay, here. Here, come here. Okay, alright? Hold it. Iba-iba kulay. Hold it, okay? Come here, come here. Give me the mic. Hold the mic. Okay. How many seconds? You have to concentrate. Kasi, di ba? Hold it. Analyze. You have to analyze. Okay? Come in. Okay. Is that right? Okay. Here, ha? Ulitin mo. Quiet, please! Quiet! Halika yung dalawa. Tingnan nyo to. Matuto kayo. Up! 2 seconds! Ha? Wala pang 2 seconds. 60.64 to a second. Thank you very much!
Papi, may isa pa exhibit.
May isa ka pa, exhibition. Ano to?
Guys.
Dice, Tom. O sige, watch this. Nangya kayo. Ano hindi mo magturo? Okay, dice naman, dice. Okay, watch this. Dice, dice. Wait, excuse me. Carmen, stay with me. Baka masaktan ka. Maybe might, might call something. So you have to be safe here, okay? Yan na lang balakang. Oh? Isa pa nga. Parang niloloko mo kami. Dito na mapapanood siya. Sa Wawawi lang po, mga kapamilya. Watch. Okay. Dice. Up. Up. Malit. Ito, pakita natin. Yeah, pakita natin. No more na. You want more? No more! Look at that. Ano, ito, may dice pa? Akin na. Ano? Baka! Akala ko, naloloko niyo ako dito? Look at that, Carmen, okay. Ano? Ang gagawin ko? Ito. Walang kukurat. Quiet! Thank you very much. Okay. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you. Wow, palapakan.